Hello subscriber, today we are discussing about the triboelectric force and charge. I am guessing that you have had an experience of rubbing a balloon against your hairs, and then you will take the balloon away from the hair, your hair sticks up, and if you have had an experience, you might think about to try to lead a more rich and the fun life. But I am guessing the most of you all have done that, and you had a sense that it had been something to do with a balloon or your hair somehow in changing charge or now. One is going to the more positive or a negative than the others, and so now they are somehow the effect. And if you are thinking of those things, you are generally right. What you just experienced about your rubbing balloon on your head, and then your hair is now attached to the balloon, that is actually called the triboelectric effect. Let's me write that down. The triboelectric or a tribo effect, and the human being has been observing this for a long time, and it was not necessarily within the balloon at the birth party of whatever. It is within the other things that rubs the silky cloth on a piece of a glass, and then will be see this there is some type of attraction, and that might be see that if they are do that enough, one of the objective mind and discharge when it touches in the other objective, people may observe this thing light as a lightning, and where it's look like another sum of a build up of and some type of a potential, and then all of a sudden it is a discharge, and you have this lighting, and then this thunder blast sound and happen to the something, and the human observes for a long time, and the scientists and the people with an eye, guys, you could say is the scientific mind, and you have been trying to understand it for a long time, and try to come within a frame of what exactly happened. Well, the lucky for us to have a framework for it, and then explain it quite well. And then the framework of what is going on within the triboelectric effect is a frame around a charge. It is a frame and work within we have around charges, and this tells up within the looking at the word saying about these some things, and just have a property called the charge, and some charge have a positive charge, and thinking opposite for some time, and there is the arbitrary name of happen to call it positive, and some of that have says the positive charges and negative charges are negative charge, and we should have called this magnetic charge or a magnetism charge. And this is a green charge we have called this is a hypotism charge, and this is a oxtric charge, and we should have said that the hypopotism and I believe a pleural and happen within they are always attractive and ostrich, but they are always a ripple in the hypotenuse and the likewise, and they will charge are alike in a hypotism. You get a general idea, but I will stick the words that the people are using, and some if the people have something has been a charge as a positive and something else has a negative charge, then it will be a framework within the setting. So the two things are going to attract to opposite charge and going to the attractive, while like is a charge, and if you are a positive and you have a positive charge acceleration and going the acceleration away from each other, and not true positive, and that will also a negative, and these two things are going to repel because they are like to charge. Now it's a very interesting thing about this because we are using thing of a terms in a charge every you have a know if especially in a kind of the world of electricity and you have a positive and negative terminalization and you think of a charging your phone or a whatever else that means the like a completely charge into the something and that will be fundamental about the universe and that will some of it but appreciated these arbitrary and they are really describe a property of observes the world and if you go down in atomic level and we can get to a fundamental level of whenever or where the charge is happening but one of these are really modules of your brain in the frameworks of a module for a brain and able to predicate and describe whatever observes in the world and but it's if you run this model you can imagine a nuclei of atom and compose the proton and so if you have some protons and some neutron I will be do for each you will sum of a neutron and the best of a framework proton and positive charge and the once again in the conversation called the positive and putting a place in onto it and like protons a little plus sign is a tattoo on the somehow and you will call those we should be have said that the red charges and could have would be and would not be this is a just a conventional that has been that we have decided to use a way to a kind of a buzzing around the nuclei of an atom often usually often electrons a lot of mass is another interesting thing we associated with some of how and that get the understanding your everyday but even a mass this is a property and just property of a matter and the feeling within understand it because of a scales and you understand the negotiation of things like a weight volume but even a mass we get quite exotic but any other but any whole point of this video not to talk about the mass it's a talk to about the charge but these things that talks about the physics and these just a property and the help to us to deal with in the no quotations and different framework but anyway let's get back on a little atom that I was in the construction in atoms and electrons and obviously and this is not wrong scales and the each of electrons have a negative charge and they are kind of a jumping here buzzing around this nuclei of an atom and the reason why this module even and going down to automatically and thinking about the proton and interesting of alone to the start explains what is happening in the triboelectric effect what happened into the triboelectric rub and the balloon and the hair because of a property of a balloon the material of a balloon and it's a material of your hairs when they come in a contact and then rub the balloon is a gripping electrons for a hair so that balloon is gripping electron from hairs and getting a negatively charged and getting a more negatively charged for this here the getting a more positively charged or essentially it's the loss of these electrons and when you put the balloon now and close your ear remember like as a charge ripple to each other so the electron in your hair try to move away from these other electrons in negative charges that tries more away from negative charge and I guess that you could be say that tip and you will hear and will be become a more positive and the more or a more positive they will be attract and will be attract to the balloon and so will be things about the happening and a transfer of electrons from that externally within the happening and so you can think that where like as a scientist in a nice model you can start it thinking about what happened in this module actually explain a whole tons of a behavior that you observe in the universe including these things like lightning, or whatever else the static engagement might be touching a doorknob and after rubbing your shoe along the carpet. But you like to start your quantify these things so we can start seeing much of these ripples and how much they attract each other and the charge has been generated or one of the fundamental unit of a charge or a guys that says that the elementary unit of a charge and definite the terms and search in the protons of electrons some fundamental of our guys you will be see elementary unit of a charge is denoted by letter E and charge of proton is a elementary charge of a proton and charge it with electron everything much smaller and mass of protons and protons from protons to the neutrons so in electrons has been much smaller than mass then the proton and neutron must be a same opposite charge and some of conventional to the right and maybe even a negative something whatever you views the kind of actually whenever views of a unit but there will be a view of actual charge you will negative charge in this has been a charge of electrons and sometimes that is a no charge like a neutron and saying something because they are a neutron and don't have a charge and so the right over and there is a neutron and now we can start to get all kind of a large scales and the non subatomic subatomic scales around it taking about electrons protons unit of a charge it's a generally unit of a charge that will be typically used is this coulomb and is coulomb it's a named for a Charlie Augustin de Coulomb so if we are taking about the guys it will be in the 18th century French physicist we have used a capital C but if the taking about we using a lowercase coulomb and coulomb is defined as a so one coulomb let write it right over here one coulomb it uses the abbreviation uppercase C is equal or I will say the approximately equal to the equal to the 6.24 or 6.24 time to the 10 to the 18th or you could say the magnitude wise it's equal to the charge or a magnitude wise it should be a opposite in taking it would be a 6.24 times 10 into the 18 electrons now if you would be go to the other around and what the charge is the magnitude of a says in proton terms in the coulombs we will just take a inverse of this so could that is approximately equal to the universe and which will be 1.60 I guys to say the reciprocal of this 1.60 10 point into the negative in the coulomb so hopefully this give you appreciation for I guys you base a level within the charge and the sum of this is everything you used to dealing and we will talk about the more in a depth but a level of this ones of a mys- mysterious of a universe and these are a particle nodes surrounding each other and you know the look like they are at the distance however immediately experts force and how these the practical immediately and repel each other and not it's not like they have to wire connecting them. They are communicating or guys that a quantum mechanical or a iridium can be made these communicating somehow. But in a everyday kindly logic sense, it will like a well distance and how these magics are ripple or attracts. We have but them names and the but kind of a help and predicate will happen but we rarely know what this charge has been so on one of a level in the plans of a medians and It's a deal of a balloon here, but in other words, other level, it will be a deep thing about the universe. It will be deep, a properly of a matter or a property of a matter that can be manipulated and we can predicate, but it is still. This is a very fundamental and somewhat mysterious things. Thanks for watching my video. Please keep subscribe me and I hope you will enjoy in this video. Thanks for watching my video.